Hello mga katuto, welcome to our channel. Narito muli ang matalik nyo kaibigan at katropa language nyo para pag-usapan natin ang distance between 2 points using distance formula. Pag bago ka pa lang sa aming channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like at comment. At share mo na rin sa iyong mga kaibigan at katropa. At syempre ang mag-subscribe sa aming channel. Okay, simulan na nating manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at syempre ang matuto. Ano ang gagawin mo kung hinahanap mo ang distance between 2 points? Sa videong ito, ipapakita dito kung papaano makukuha ang distance between 2 points using distance formula. Let's start to learn distance between 2 points. Ang topic natin ngayon ay distance between 2 points. I-review lang natin yung previous video about distance between 2 points. So meron tayo rito, at point A we have -4, -6, and at point B we have -4, 2. So, unahin nating i-plot ang -4, -6. So, -4 and the other one is -6. So, point A dito. Then, the other one is -4, 2. So, point B naman dito. Then, connect natin yung dalawang points. From this graph, malalaman na natin yung distance niya. Ang gagawin lang natin ay bibilangin natin yung number of units. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, the distance between points A and B is 8 units. Mapapansin nyo sa ating coordinates, magkapareho ang x values or x coordinates. So, ibig sabihin, pag pareho ang x values natin, ang graph niya ay vertical line. Okay, next, number 2. At point C, we have 3, -2, and at point D, -2, -2. So, unahin nating i-graph ang point C. We have 3, -2. So, 3, and the other one is -2. So, dito yung point C. And the next one is -2, -2, -2, -2. So, point D dito. Then, connect natin. Then, pwede na nating malaman yung distance between point C to D. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, therefore, the distance between points C and D is 5 units. Ang ating y values or y coordinates ay magkapareho. -2, -2. So, ibig sabihin, ang graph niya ay horizontal line. Next, number 3. At point E, we have -6, 5. And at point F, we have 6, 1. Ay, unahin nating i-plot ang -6, 5. So, -6, saka 5. So, dito. So, point E. And the other one is 6, 1. 6, tapos 1. So, dito yung point F. Connect natin yung dalawang points. Tignan natin yung pagkakaiba ng question number 1, 2, and 3. Yung number 1 and number 2, horizontal and vertical lines, pwede nating bilangin yung number of units. Pero, sa question number 3 natin, dito, hindi natin pwedeng bilangin yung number of units niya. So, para malaman natin yung distance between point E to F, gagamitin natin ang distance formula. So, ang distance formula nitong segment EF ay segment EF equals the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 quantity squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 quantity squared. Or, pwede rin ito, segment EF is equal to the square root of x sub 1 minus x sub 2 quantity squared plus y sub 1 minus y sub 2 quantity squared. Ang pinagkaiba lang nitong dalawa na to, nag-interchange yung x values dito, saka yung y values. Itong distance formula na to ay pwede nating gamitin whether or not they are aligned horizontally or vertically. Subukan natin kunin yung distance between 2 points itong question na ito. Ito yung question number 3 natin kanina. So, isa-isahin muna natin yung mga given values ng ating coordinates. So, this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. Then, ito ang ating distance formula. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga given values sa ating formula. So, we have x sub 2 is 6. X sub 1 is -6. Y sub 2 is 1. And y sub 1 is 5. So, we have 6 minus -6 and the other one is 1 minus 5. Simplifying, we have 6 minus negative 6 is 12. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. 12 squared is equal to 144. Negative 4 is squared, or this is negative 4 times negative 4, and that is equal to 16. Then add 144 and 16, and that is equal to 160. Pwede pa nating i-factor itong 160 na ito that one of the factors is a perfect square. So that is 16 and 10. 16 times 10 is equal to 160. And 16 is a perfect square. So this is 4 square root of 10. Or this is approximately as 12.65 units. Therefore, the distance between points E and F is 4 square root of 10 or 12.65 units. Subukan naman natin yung isang formula. Sabi ko kanina, nag-interchange lang yung values ng x saka values ng y. So, i-substitute lang natin yung mga given values. Ang x sub 1 natin ay negative 6. X sub 2 is 6. Then, y sub 1 is 5. Y sub 2 is 1. Then, negative 6 minus 6 is negative 12. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Negative 12 squared, or that is negative 12 times negative 12 is equal to 144. And 4 times 4 is 16. Then, pupunta na tayo dito sa may solution na ito. Then, ang sagot na ay 4 square root of 10 or approximately as 12.65 units. Find the distance between each pair of points using the distance formula. Number 1, at point x, we have negative 3, negative 7, and at point y, we have negative 10, negative 5. So, gamitin natin yung distance formula. So, identify natin yung mga given values. This is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. By substitution, we have x sub 2 is negative 10, y sub 1 is negative 3, y sub 2 is negative 5, and y sub 1 is negative 7. So, negative 10 minus negative 3 is equal to negative 7. Negative 5 minus negative 7, and that is equal to 2. Negative 7 is squared, or that is negative 7 times negative 7 is equal to 49. Then 2 times 2 equals 4. 49 plus 3 is equal to 53. So, the distance between x and y is equal to square root of 53, or approximately as 7.28 units. So the distance between points x and y is square root of 53 or 7.28 units. Let's have question number 2. Point S, 6, negative 3, and point T, 11, 4. Gamitin naman natin yung isang distance formula. So this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. Ang value ng ating x sub 1 is 6. Ang value ng ating x sub 2 ay 11. Y sub 1 is negative 3, and y sub 2 is 4. 6 minus 11 is equal to negative 5. Negative 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 7. Then, negative 5 is squared, or that is negative 5 times negative 5, that is equal to 25. Negative 7 times negative 7, that is equal to 49. The sum of 25 and 49 is 74. Therefore, this is square root of 74, or approximately as 8.6 units. Then, the distance between points S and T is square root of 74 or 8.6 units. Sana nakatulong ang video ito para mas lalo nyo pang maintindihan ang distance between 2 points using distance formula.
Natuto ka ba?
Ikaw, nag-enjoy ka rin ba? I-like, share, and subscribe na!
Hanggang sa susunod, mga katuto!
Bye!